Welcome to Around the Penny. It's Tuesday, March the 1st, and spring is almost here. I'm Stephanie. Let's take a walk around the penny. Let's dive right into today's winners, and first up is AppTech Corporation, symbol APCX. We saw this mobile phone application maker jump up 50% on a volume of just over 556 million shares. AppTech issued a press release this morning announcing their wholly owned subsidiary, Aranaco Telecom, grossed $90,000 for the month of February. It was only at the end of January when Aranaco was acquired by AppTech. Both companies feel that sales will continue at a brisk rate. Another big winner today was Guard Dog Incorporated, symbol GRDO. They specialize in preventing online identity theft, which is the fastest growing financial theft problem in the U.S. The company issued a press release today announcing their plans to complete a corporate merger later in the month. Traders took well to this news as we saw this big dog rally over 105% on over 66 million shares. Our final winner is Strategic Management and Opportunity Corporation, symbol SMPP. They are an online video production and distribution service, and they launched 200% on nearly 280 million shares. The company announced that their video sales platform will launch online next Monday, March 7th. On to our losers, starting with Safeguard Security Holdings Incorporated, symbol SSHS. They had a solid Monday, rising 250% on nearly 800 million shares, and it looks like traders booked some profits. For the day, the equity fell over 28% on about 507 million shares, though shares are still up from the start of the trading week, so no need to pull all your hair out. If you own any shares of Connect Corporation, symbol KNKT, please turn away from your screens because you don't want to hear that they dropped over $1 today, falling close to 37% on over 17 million shares. They developed smartphones and tablets powered by Google's Android system. After creating a new 52-week high yesterday, they issued a press release today. It announced they've added 2 new executives to their business advisory board, but that still didn't deter traders from selling. Our final stock is Elysium Internet, symbol EYSM. They had some positive news in the form of a press release earlier in the day. They announced that their website, thedirectory.com, increased revenues by 56% in the month of February. They also added that this is their 4th straight month of revenue growth, but unfortunately they couldn't turn this news into a rally. For the day, the equity fell over 21% on over 372 million shares. A lot of chat room chatter surrounded cotton and Western Mining, symboled CWRN. A buyout tender of 15 cents was recently rejected by the company's board of directors. But today they disclosed the offer to shareholders. There is chatter that the buyout offer may increase to 18 cents, but nothing is final until it happens in Pennyland. Today the stock opened at 0.0277 and saw a high of 0.0288. and a low of 0.019. It ended up falling over 25% on about 115 million shares, closing at 0.0205. Another big topic was New Mobile Incorporated, symbol NUBL. The company is part of New Market Technology's Greenfield Partnership Program. The program issued a statement today about a trade mission to the Philippines. A webcast report on the mission is scheduled for next Tuesday. It seems like this news didn't do much for any of the companies in the program, including New Mobile. It opened at its low of 0.0004 and had a high of 0.0005. Overall, it fell 25% on over 415 million shares and closed at 0.0003. Our quote of the day comes courtesy of Rufo, who said, "Yep, gonna be some very unhappy bag holders today." Well, Rufo, are there ever happy bag holders? Before we end the day, let's see what our newsletter radar picked up. 9 newsletters were pushing Explore Anywhere Holding Corporation, symbol PFVR. The computer monitoring company is known for its Spy Buddy program. Yesterday, they announced that the latest version of Spy Buddy is available for pre-sale. The stock seems to have been on a continuous rise for the last few days. Today, it opened at 0.359 and rose just over 7% on over 1 million shares before closing at 0.375. Not a bad day, but a few weeks ago, the stock was at a high of 52 cents. Sorry about your luck, Spy Buddy. We saw 13 newsletters pumping Clean Tech Transit, symbol CLNO. This clean energy company works in the public transportation sector. Today they announced that they may receive a cashback incentive from the U.S. Treasury for a green project with Phoenix Energy. But the payment hinges on whether or not Clean Tech concludes its investment in the project, and if the project is eligible. Those are some pretty big variables. The stock opened at 27 cents and rose just over 2% on roughly 171,000 shares, closing at 25 cents. Not much to brag about, but you can't blame the pumpers for trying. We're giving them a Community BS trophy for all their hard work. Share nicely, everyone. That's our show for tonight. Thanks so much for watching. The news continues on our website, simplypennies.com. Remember, you can friend us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and watch previous shows on YouTube. For Around the Penny, I'm Stephanie. Good night. And rose just over 7% on over 1 million. I didn't mean to do that, sorry.